There's a new giant on the sea. China, known for its great ships, has surprised everyone again. The Fanzhou 8, a huge cargo ship, shows just how good China is at engineering. This 58,000-ton giant is the world's biggest self-propelled cargo ship. Its first trip starts a new chapter in sea travel. The Fanzhou 8 isn't just a ship, it shows China's big plans for the world. The Fanzhou 8 story is one of big dreams and new ideas. Chinese engineers and shipbuilders wanted to make a ship bigger and better than any before. The ship's design, a wonder of engineering, uses the latest technology and careful building. Everyone watched as this giant ship was built. On December 22, 2024, the Fanzhou 8 went on its first trip. This 5-day test east of Shanghai checked how strong and how well the ship worked. The ship was tested hard. The Fanzhou 8 did great, even better than expected, proving it's a truly amazing ship. Everyone in shipping was excited. The Fanzhou 8 is as amazing as it is big. At 256 meters long and 51 meters wide, it's huge. Its big deck can carry lots of industrial parts. From oilfield equipment to wind turbines and nuclear power parts, the Fanzhou 8 can carry the things that make modern industry work. It can even go in icy water, opening up new ways for world trade. The Fanzhou 8's first trip wasn't just a test of the ship, but a sign of China's big plans for the sea. The whole world watched. The successful test sent a message. China is a major player on the sea. The Fanzhou 8's trip started a new time of Chinese leadership at sea. The Fanzhou 8's design shows how China wants to push the limits of engineering. Its strong hull is super stable even in rough seas. The ship's engines are powerful and precise, letting it travel far and fast. The Fanzhou 8 shows how much China cares about new ideas and doing things well. The Fanzhou 8 can carry a mind-blowing amount of cargo. Its huge deck can hold parts for entire industrial projects. This makes the Fanzhou 8 a game-changer for shipping things around the world. Being able to move huge structures and equipment creates new ways to build things and trade with other countries. The Fanzhou 8 will change how things are shipped and what's possible at sea. The Fanzhou 8 can even go in icy waters, unlike other ships. Its extra strong hull and advanced navigation systems let it travel in the dangerous polar seas, opening up new trade routes and ways to get resources. This puts China in a leading position for exploring and developing the polar regions, showing their ambition and technology. The Fanzhou 8 has made people wonder about more than just its cargo-carrying abilities. Its huge size has made people compare it to China's growing navy. Military experts think it could be used for both civilian and military purposes. The Fanzhou 8 shows how China is becoming more powerful at sea. Chinese news has added to the mystery about the Fanzhou 8's possible military uses. They've compared it to the Fujian, China's first homemade aircraft carrier. Even though the Fanzhou 8 looks like a civilian ship, people are still talking about whether it could be used by the military. This mystery is part of China's plan for showing its sea power. The possibility of the Fanzhou 8 being used for both civilian and military purposes shows a bigger trend in China's sea strategy. The difference between civilian and military ships is becoming less clear. Chinese civilian ships have been part of military exercises, showing they can be used for other things. This shows how China wants a navy that can do many different jobs. The Fanzhou 8 arrives as China's shipbuilding industry is booming. China has passed South Korea as the top shipbuilder, building many of the world's ships. This shows China's plan to improve its ports and navy. The Fanzhou 8 is a symbol of China's growing power at sea.